we're looking a little bit rowdy. So let's turn this into this. So we got my old chair right here. Hail damage. Unfortunately, it's a little weathered. Somebody might still want that. We might curb alert it or just recycle it there. But we need to clean this area up. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of the snow, and let's get the YITAHOME outdoor couch love seat put together, and we'll go ahead and walk you through a few features with assembly, and it's going to make this place look a lot nicer than some messed up hail damage wicker. Okay, very nicely packaged as well. Do be careful. It actually says do not use a razor blade on the top packing tape. They do have a nice cover just in case. It is thin, so do be careful. You don't want to get a razor blade and pierce through that. So we'll go ahead and pull out the pieces here, set our cushions off to the side. Our directions are right on top here in a Ziploc bag. Alrighty, your legs are going to be in this little box right here, as we can see, nicely wrapped up. And then all of your directions are right here with your hardware in here. Very simple. Everything is labeled and good to go. Just follow the pictures here. If anything is not as easy as the pictures, I'll explain it in the installation of this video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, very, very simple. Just again, 2 pieces right here, bolted together with 3 bolts right in the middle and the sides. And then make sure your legs are angling outwards. That's very important so you don't have to switch them around later on. You want them angled a little bit in this direction here and here and here. Absolutely fantastic. Very, very simple. Very high quality woven as well. Not to mention a little bit of give right here for back support as well, but nice and tight through here. And also wanted to share a pro tip with you here. So if one of your sides, now you do have 2 remaining bolts that's going to go in the side here that brings these 2 pieces together on the armrest sides here and here. Here and over here as well. Now, pro tip for you here, this side in particular wasn't lining up exactly, so I can slip my bolt in. Easiest thing to do in that scenario is right below here. Again, you're going to have your 1 bolt that you've already put in. Loosen that up so you have enough room to pull that up and align it with this. Tighten this one in and then retighten this one here. So let me give you a little shot here of what it looks like without the cushions on it so you can kind of get a better picture. You have steel supports here and right in the middle, right here, here, and here. Then with some very slightly flexible in the middle here. Your armrests are steel as well underneath, and then here and here as well. And then you have your back that's slightly tilted with it fully steel all the way around, right down the middle, and then down the sides here, here, and then on the bottom double lapped up there with your nice matte black legs with some little pad type things on the bottom if you were worried. I wouldn't be about scratching a deck, but some people can be a little bit picky about that, so I understand. Now it's time to put on the cushions. And the only thing I had left over was 1 little bolt, an extra one for the feet if you did need it later down the road for some oddball reason. So the cushion on the bottom does have little tie straps as well. It does get windy where I am, so I am going to be utilizing those tie straps. And then everything has zippers, so you can zip it off, you can wash it, and then let it dry, and then go ahead and put it back on. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a pretty outdoor patio love seat. Now directions do state it, but because the pillows, the 4 of these pillows here are all vacuum sealed in their bag, they want you to fluff them up a little bit, and that gives a little bit more volume to them. But absolutely stunning, crisp, beautiful color. Now all the pillows as well do have zippers on them as well. Easily washable. I would probably hang dry, but read directions on cleaning them, and then go ahead and put them back outside and enjoy. Really comfortable on the back with that slight slope, and I do like these pillows here as well. They give you a little bit of an arm rest as well, and as you can see, my dog loves it as well. There was actually quite a bit of wind last night and the night before. I think we got up to 18, 20 mile an hour winds. This pillow kind of folded over a little bit, but these cushions obviously depends on if you have a little bit of a house blocking the wind. It held up great. They didn't fly off or anything like that. It did get a little bit damp from the snow, so I'm sitting on a towel on top of it, but not bad at all. Overall, very comfortable, very sturdy. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. And not to mention, looks fantastic as well. Once again, top link in the description box below of this video will be this exact same patio love seat, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos, house DIY projects, and more. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video.